the kit culture war. The big three have released their kits for the 2026-2027 Betway Premiership season. And in South Africa, there's always banter. Our banter in South Africa does not start when the season starts. It starts during the off-season, when the teams are making the signings, even when the teams are releasing their new kit for the new season. So which one released the best for you? We are talking about the big three, which is Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, and Kaizer Chiefs. Go to your comment section and give me your views of which team has the best. What's up, Mzansi football family? Welcome back to Mzansi Total Football, where we discuss South African football without fear or favor. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and join the conversation in the comments below. Now, family, football shirts are no longer just jerseys. They are statements. They are history. They are fashion. They are identity. And every single season, supporters wait impatiently to see whether their club and technical sponsor have delivered something iconic or something they'll want to forget. Well, the wait is finally over. The big three have officially unveiled their brand new kits for the 2026-2027 Betway Premiership season. Orlando Pirates with Adidas, Mamelodi Sundowns with Puma, and Kaizer Chiefs with Kappa. And social media has been on fire ever since. Some people are saying Pirates have produced one of the cleanest kits in PSL history. And I'm tempted to agree with that. Not because I'm an Orlando Pirates fan, but come on, we've seen the quality of the design that Adidas has produced for Orlando Pirates. While Chiefs supporters insist Kappa has delivered the most stylish collection in years. So today, we are going to settle the debate. We are going to going to judge every kit based on three important categories. So the question is, which are those categories? Right? Number one, the design and overall drip. Number two, heritage and storytelling. What story is the jersey telling? Number three, streetwear appeal. Can you actually wear this jersey? Can you actually wear this jersey away from the stadium and still look fresh and not look like a muhu when you are wearing it away from the stadium? Then right at the end, I'll reveal my complete ranking from third place all the way to number one. Remember, this is just my opinion. If yours is different, that's what makes football debates so beautiful. Let's get into it. Orlando Pirates and Adidas, gold is earned. Let us begin with the reigning league champions, Orlando Pirates. After lifting the Betway Premiership title, Adidas clearly understood one thing. This was not just another kit launch. This was a celebration. Their campaign says it all. Gold is not given, it is earned. That is a powerful message, because championships are not handed to anyone. They are earned through hard work, sacrifice, and consistency. Now let us talk about the home jersey. At first glance, it looks like a classic Orlando Pirates shirt. Black, simple, elegant. But once you take a closer look, you notice subtle granite-inspired texture running through the fabric. Granite represents strength, durability, a solid foundation, exactly the qualities this Pirates team has shown over the last season. Then comes the feature that steals the show, the metallic gold detailing, the Adidas logo, the club crest, the famous three stripes. Everything shines in gold. It is a reminder that this team are champions. Nothing about this shirt feels cheap. Everything about it screams premium. It is bold without trying too hard. Now let us move to the away jersey. Personally, I think Adidas made a brilliant decision. They brought back the legendary trefoil logo. Immediately that changes the entire vibe. Instead of looking like a standard football shirt, it suddenly becomes something you'd happily wear to the mall, to campus, to a braai, or simply while walking around Johannesburg or Durban with a clean pair of sneakers. That's exactly what modern football fashion is all about. Football shirts are no longer only for match days. They are part of everyday streetwear. And Adidas clearly understood that. Overall, Pirates have produced two jerseys that balance history, luxury, and fashion extremely well. But can they beat the other two? Let us find out. Now to Mamelodi Sundowns and Puma, the two-star era. Next up, the Brazilians Mamelodi Sundowns Puma launched this collection under the campaign Shine On Masandawana. And honestly, this jersey carries serious emotional value. Why? Because of what is sitting above the badge. 2 stars. For Sundowns supporters, those stars mean everything. Each one represents CAF Champions League title. Every player walks onto the field wearing this shirt. Supporters will remember those unforgettable nights of continental glory. That alone makes this jersey a future collector's item. Now let us discuss the design itself. Instead of chasing modern trends, Puma looked backwards, way backwards. They revisited one of the most iconic Sundowns jerseys ever produced, the famous 1994 design. That vibrant yellow instantly reminds supporters of the legendary shoe shine and piano era. Daniel Mambush Mudau, Phil Chipa Masinga. Those unforgettable names helped build the identity of this football club. The subtle vertical pinstripes add texture without becoming overwhelming. Then you notice the white collar finished with green trim and red Puma logos. It is nostalgic, classic, and unmistakably Sundowns. Sometimes football clubs don't need dramatic redesigns. Sometimes respecting tradition is the smartest move. That's exactly what Puma have done here. The shirt feels timeless and it instantly recognizable. And for supporters who value history above fashion trends, this might actually be their favorite kit of all three. Excellent work from Puma. Kaizer Chiefs and Kapa, the kingdom rises. Now we arrive at Natural. Kaizer Chiefs and Kapa, their campaign is called The Kingdom Rise. A very fitting slogan. Because despite recent struggles on the pitch, Chiefs remain one of the biggest football brands on the African continent. Let us start with the home jersey. Classic gold. Exactly what supporters expect. But Kapa did not stop there. Hidden throughout the fabric are geometric patterns inspired by traditional Zulu shields. That's an excellent cultural touch. Then come the thin black pinstripes. These are a tribute to some of the greatest championships winning Chiefs sides from the late 1980s and early 1990s. It is subtle, respectful, and beautifully executed. But family, the away jersey completely stole the show. Wow. This is probably the boldest design Kappa has produced for Chiefs in years. Instead of playing safe, they went aggressive. Dark charcoal, black, with a striking gold and yellow V-shaped graphic stretching across the chest. The inspiration, the mane of lion. And honestly, once someone explained the concept, everything made sense. It looks powerful, fearless, modern. It almost feels like something you'd expect from a top European lifestyle collection. Another brilliant decision was releasing official long sleeves versions. Football fashion is making a massive comeback worldwide. Long sleeve shirts are becoming increasingly popular again. Chiefs supporters are definitely going to appreciate that option, whether we are wearing it inside FNB Stadium or out with friends. This jersey demands attention. Kappa have certainly made a statement. Final ranking. Right, the difficult part ranking them. Before I reveal my list, let me say this. There is not a bad jersey here. Every single brand understood its assignment. Each one tells a different story, but I had to choose. Here's my ranking. Third place, Mamelodi Sundowns. Puma delivered an excellent football shirt. The 2 stars alone make it historic. The 1994 inspiration is beautiful, but compared to the creativity shown by Pirates and Chiefs, it plays things a little safer. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. It's just slightly less adventurous. Second place, Kaizer Chiefs. Kappa deserves a huge credit. The home jersey celebrates heritage. The away jersey takes risks, and those risks paid off. That lion-inspired design is unlike anything else we have seen recently in South African football. It is bold, stylish, and unforgettable. First place, Orlando Pirates. My number 1 goes to Orlando Pirates. Adidas absolutely nailed this collection. The granite texture, the metallic championship gold, the premium finish, the trefoil logo and on the away jersey. Everything works together perfectly. The home shirt looks like a champion's jersey. The away shirt looks like something you'd see on the street of London, Johannesburg, or Cape Town. It succeeds both as football apparel and as a lifestyle fashion. For me, that's what gives Pirates the edge. So in conclusion, now that's my ranking, but football is all about opinion. So I want to hear from you. Which club released the best jersey this season? Was it Adidas with Orlando Pirates? Was it Puma with Mamelodi Sundowns or Kappa with Kaizer Chiefs? Drop your complete rankings in the comments below. 1, 2, 3. Let's have a respectful football debate. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave the like, subscribe to Mzansi Total Football, and turn on notifications so you never miss another transfer update, tactical analysis, and match breakdowns. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay safe, wear your club colors with pride, and keep supporting the beautiful game. Thank you very much.